One of the most overlooked areas when it comes to releasing jaw tension is actually in your scalp, which is your temporalis muscle. Now everyone knows your temporal bone on the side of your head. It has a gigantic muscle that covers quite a bit of surface area on your head, and actually its tendon connects into your jaw joint. So this is one of the first key areas we're going to be working on in order to release your tight jaw. And what we're going to do is do a simple 3-step temporalis massage. What you're going to do is with your 4 fingers, you're going to dig around in there and find any kind of tight spots, nodules, whatever feels like is going to cause you some slight pain or discomfort. Now, we don't want to make it feel like we're completely suffering, so we're going to keep the discomfort at like a 6 out of 10. You're going to start off with doing some semicircles for a couple of minutes. Don't feel like you need to go super light or super deep. Find that nice happy medium. We're feeling a little bit, but it's something you can still work through. And you're going to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Following that, you're going to do some trigger point therapy or point pressure release, where you're going to find some of the most restricted and most angry little nodules in that muscle, and you're going to press and hold for first 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 1 minute. You're going to repeat this on both sides, working from behind your ear towards basically your eyebrow and brow ridge, opening up the vast majority of restricted fibers in your temporalis. The next thing you want to do is a bit of a myofascial release that's going to take pressure off of the jaw and joint capsule. What you're going to do is kind of to squish your head like a wrestling move, and then actually pull the slack out of the skin going upwards. And then what you're going to do is open your jaw. What this will do is will actually traction the superficial connective tissue surrounding the temporalis and the jaw joint to take some pressure off of the jaw and that little articulating disc that sits in your jaw.